Good morning, guys. Hi guys, we're having lunch while James is done.
This is scary.
We're going to get food. Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Shayma. I'm currently a second year medical student studying in Australia. I'm international, so I was born and raised in Kenya. And welcome to my channel. Good morning. It is quite early today. It's currently 6:30 a.m. and I actually woke up at 4. That wasn't really planned. Over the weekend I went to Townsville, which is about 4 hours south. We went for a bowl, a couple of my friends and I, and then we came back yesterday. But the thing is, we went back home the night of Asha at like 2:30, and then I had to like pack up everything, shower and all of that, so it was 4 by the time I was going to bed, and we had to be up at 7:30 the next morning. I don't even think I slept properly that night, so I might have maybe got an hour of sleep. Anyway, I woke up at 4 today and I just had to like unpack because I never unpacked my suitcase. I just cleaned up my room, tidied everything up. I also updated my budget tracker. Well, I made the new spread for the new month. It's currently September 8th. We're a week into the new month, but it's okay. So right now I want to work on a presentation that I meant to be making for home group, which I have at 11. Already started it. Like, I've done a good most of it, but I don't know, I'm not really happy with it. And I also realized I should probably make something for my home group members to like do. So I was thinking of a kind of like fill in the blanks because I like those. I already made my to-do list for the day. Yeah, we have a busy day ahead of us. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get continuing with our presentation and I'll see you guys when I'm getting ready for the day. Hello guys, it's like 10:46 right now. I need to leave my house very soon. I have home group at 11. I don't even know what it is. I'm presenting today in home group, so we need to not be late. I low-key also want to present first just so I can get it out of the way. I like going first because I just feel like it's hard for me to concentrate on other people's presentations when I am thinking about the fact that I still have to present. I did a case on hyperthyroidism. If anybody's curious, all the healthcare baddies know what that is, and the non-healthcare baddies, that's basically when there's like an overactivity of your thyroid gland. Yeah, I just did a case. Guess what I named the patient in my case? I named the patient Ngure. I don't know why that name came to mind. I could have gone with something like more generic, like Kimani, bro. No hate to the Kimanis out there. I love your name. I have a report that is due somewhere towards the end of next week that I have not started. I have a clinical exam next week. I need to practice doing respiratory exams. I need to go and refresh spirometry, COPD, and practice history taking. I just need to do my lips and that's it. I'm just gonna use this lip gloss. One of my friends got this for me for my birthday last year. Shout out Chidera. And 10:50, it's 10:02. Let's go to class. Hello, my academic arsenals. Hello. It is currently like, hold on. 8:30 p.m. right now. I just got back from the gym. I'm still in my gym clothes because I have to cook. I'm gonna be meal prepping 2 things today. Japanese curry because that's simple, very quick, in butter chicken curry. Let's get on to the cooking. Yep.
Take you up your day. If that's not too much to ask.
I think that's do you think this is it?
Good morning, guys. Well, actually, I can't say. It is currently 12:13 p.m. I woke up at like 11:30. Makes sense because I was awake for 22 hours yesterday. To be fair, I was also caffeinated, but that is not the point. Anyway, I'm just making my bed right now. I've gotten ready for the day. This is my outfit, in case you cared. I'm just wearing this like blue tie-up top. I never tie it anyway, that I got from Dottie, and then this like maxi like skirt. It's really pretty. It has like flowers on it. I'm thinking I'm trying to make it to pass, and then after pass, I'm gonna go to the library. So see you guys. Hi gang, going on a bubble tea run. It's been so long since I've vlogged out here. It has strawberry in it. Hi gang, we're in the library studying. This one is on her phone. Joshan has gone elsewhere. Piju's also on her phone.
She's doing what?
Let's study. Hi guys.
What's happening in the pool right now?
We are going to get food. PJ and I are getting burrito bar. Jay is getting burger edge.
In different social media platforms, all got banned. Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, all of it, except for TikTok.
We just got the food from Burger Edge. See how no one asked for that?
I have some more.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Sahaj.
Down there. Locked the fuck in.
Just leaving.
I'm putting my headphones on noise cancelling.
Okay, go, sweetie.
Sweet. We have been yapping for the past 6 hours.
So locked in.
We're very locked in.
Hi guys, we came to Teddy's to get coffee and matcha. No one can study here, I guess.
No, not now. Hi guys, we're having lunch while James is done. Because he's a big guy like that.
Piju's running away.
Piju's
Doesn't want to
confused.
be in the channel.
She does.
I do.
She does.
Just
Guys, I'm eating literally like a rabbit. Yerp, another rabbit.
I got rabbit teeth. You see how big those are?
Okay.
You can't even see us. Guys, birthday girl is here. She's the big 2-0 now.
Yes.
You're the youngest one? You're the youngest one. Everyone else is 20, right?
Yeah. Are we done with birthday this year after this?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Ben is turning 20.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Am I not in it?
Top 10 average interactions with the
GI is compulsory. Like it's signed in. No? Yeah. Okay guys, good morning. It is currently 10. I'm getting ready for a class that started 1 hour ago. Because essentially it's a compulsory class, but I didn't know it was signed in. And I'm not really rushing, if you guys can see, because well, I had a really hard day yesterday, and so yeah, I'm trying to have a peaceful weekend, guys. Did I say it's Friday, by the way? Happy Friday weekend. Like, it's not the end of the world if you miss one class. My attendance so far I think has been like pretty decent, so I'm not too pressed about it, and I am gonna go. It's just one, I haven't watched the lecture for this specific class yet. That's why I'm kind of like, I'm not even going to the GLS to do the GLS workbook. If you don't know what a GLS is, if you're new, that's basically just a class where we kind of sit in tables. It's more interactive and we do a workbook. I love the wand of this little like lip gloss. We are ready for class now. I just need to pack my bag. Guys, change of plans. My friends are leaving the class, so I guess I'm not going then. I'm so proud of myself because I've been so consistent with my Yakult. You guys have seen me drink this before. It's like a biotic drink. I've had one every day this week. I'm pretty sure this has a ton of sugar in it, so I don't necessarily know if that's like a good thing. But cheers. Let's go.
Hi guys, so I just got a gift for Bond. This is what I got her. It's a bag. I think I've seen her something similar, so I hope she likes it. I'm looking for something for May, something decor-y. Oh, this is kind of cute. I'm thinking the skinny one's cute, but I don't know which one she'd like better. I think I'll get this one. You can see more of the rocks in it. I think this is cute. I would like this better. So I hope it matches the aesthetic of her house. Oh my god! What is this technique? Guys, I'm scared people and stuff.